here we are checking on our bee box. We've only had them about a week and a half. We just got a nuke, but they started hanging down off the side. They aren't right now, but it's called bearding. And so we decided to check them, and we've got this many on the top. They're real active right now. When we opened up the lid yesterday, it looked like they were stuffed to the gills. Hey guys. So we want to show this and see if we're doing the right thing by getting ready to put a queen excluder on there and then a super on top of that. Getting close.
I mean, it just feels like it's stuffed with bees. I feel like it's time to go ahead and put that on there.
Stuffed. Back up a little bit, get a little bit of a different perspective.
Yeah, I
mean, everywhere I look, they're just stuffed to the gills.
Got bees on every frame on each side.
On both sides of every frame, that's right.
It smells like honey in the thing big time too.
So we got this bee excluder that we're learning. Has slats just the right size that the bees can get through, but the queen can't. So when we put the super on top of that, they'll make honey in the super, and we can take honey from the super and let the bottom box be the brood box. So we're just wondering if we're doing the right thing. Oh, look at how many of these cute guys are still landing with pollen on their feet. They're just so dang cute.
It's really good looking fresh comb. It's not going to get right once I do this. Oh, there's a dead one in there. He was trying to carry it out.
Aw.
I don't know what to do with this because it feels like it's going to like
Crush them.
Yeah, it's like sitting on the comb.
Sitting way too high because there's comb that they built on the bottom of the box. So we are definitely going to need a little bit of advice. Luckily, we're going to our first Santa Rosa County beekeepers meeting tonight, and we will get to show this video to some people and show some pictures and take it from there.